Leaders Malines United will go in search of their 7th win in a row when they take on Harbourview in the Red Star Premier League at the compound on Sunday. Simon Preston has this preview.
After winning their 6th game in a row, coach of Malines United, Lejesu Sims, reached out to entertain a squash. But will Sims be reaching out to LA Lewis should they make it 7 after their match with Harbourview? As it is now, Malines United are having the time of their lives as belief soars through the roof. But Harbourview will be hoping the newcomers have run their course.
I'm a coach to get here, I'm a coach to stay here, a coach to come here and do well. As you can see, Malines is a team with unknowns, And as I tell the players, we are here to be known. And then the players, them week in, week out, them keep coming in and deliver.
Second-placed Waterhouse, who are 2 points behind Malines United, will be at home to Arnett Gardens. Waterhouse have recorded 5 wins and a draw from their 6 games, while Arnett have ticked all the brackets with 2 wins, 2 defeats and 2 drawn games. But scoring against Waterhouse has been difficult, as only Tivoli Gardens have breached their defence.
We do have a very positive group of players here, so we just have to continue on that. And as I said to you before, these players are here to win. We just have to complement them with the support.
It's going to be a dog fight. You know those battles, end-to-end, dog fight, physical. But we're ready for the challenge.
Occupying the foot of the table is not something you expect Tivoli Gardens to be doing, but that's where they sit after 6 games. However, coach Philip Williams is eyeing a change of fortune when they take on returnee There United in the bottom of the table clash.
Our first 6 games were versus the top 6 in that finished in the league last year. So definitely we're looking forward to getting back on a winning part with that game with Vere.
Elsewhere, title holders Portmore United will play the hapless Huey at the Prison Oval, and Humble Lion travels to Royal Lakes to face Dunbeholden. Cavalier and Mount Pleasant Academy will meet in the Monday night fixture at the Stadium East Field. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.